Hello and welcome to this video lecture on CUDA Toolkit. So today we'll deep diving into the comprehensive GPU programming environment provided by the Toolkit. So as you see that our slide name is also Toolkit comprehensive GPU programming environment. Okay, so the CUDA Toolkit is a powerful development environment designed to enable developers to harness the computational power of NVIDIA GPUs. It supports a variety of programming languages including C, C++, and Fortran, and integrates seamlessly with popular integrated development environment IDEs such as Visual Studio Code and Eclipse. The CUDA toolkit includes several key components that streamline the development process. Compilers optimized for NVIDIA GPUs, ensuring high performance. Debuggers tools like CUDA GDB and Inside Eclipse Addition for debugging GPU code. Performance analysis tool. Inside Compute and Inside System for in-depth performance analysis and optimization. The CUDA toolkit provides highly optimized compilers that translates your code into instructions that can be executed by NVIDIA GPUs. These compilers supports various programming languages and ensure that your code runs efficiently on the GPUs, maximizing performance. Debugging GPUs can be challenging, but the CUDA toolkit includes powerful debugging tools to help you identify and fix issues. CUDA GDB is a command line debugger that allows you to debug CUDA application running on actual hardware. Inside Eclipse Addition provides a graphical interface for debugging, making it easier to visualize and resolve issues in your code. To optimize your GPU application, the CUDA toolkit includes performance analysis tools like Nsight Compute and Nsight System. Nsight Compute is a performance analysis tool that provides detailed insights into performance of your CUDA kernels. Nsight System offers a system-wide view of your application performance, helping you identify bottlenecks and optimize resource uses. In addition to the core tools, the CUDA toolkit provides a rich set of libraries and APIs that simplify common tasks in GPU programming. These include libraries for linear algebra, QLabs, deep learning queues, CUDN, and parallel algorithm thrust, among others. These libraries are highly optimized and can significantly reduce development time by providing ready-to-use function for common operations. The CUDA toolkit integrates seamlessly with the popular development environment, making it accessible to a wide range of developers. For example, it can be used with Visual Studio on Windows, Eclipse on Linux, and Xcode on MacOS. This integration allows you to leverage the powerful features of your preferred IDE while developing GPU accelerated application. To get started with the CUDA toolkit, you can download it. To get started with the CUDA toolkit, you can stay in this course. We'll also explore CUDA toolkits demonstration process, all the things like Visual Studio Code and Site and other features. Like I'm talking about a lot of things in this course. So basically, in starting 4 to 5 lecture, we will just focus on theory part and understanding all the things like what is this, what is CUDA toolkit, what is GPU programming environment, what are the tools, what is the accelerating computing powerful tools are available in CUDA GPU libraries. And in our 6, 7, 8, 9 lectures, in our other lectures, we will cover all the things in demonstration. We will show you demonstration and cover all the things. Okay. So after this, like the CUDA toolkit is used in a variety of fields from specific scientific research and high performance computing to deep learning and artificial intelligence. For example, researchers use CUDA to accelerate simulation while AI developers use it to train deep learning models more efficiently. The versatility of and power of the CUDA toolkit make it an essential tool for anyone looking to leverage the computational power of NVIDIA GPUs. So in summary, the CUDA toolkit is a comprehensive GPU programming environment that provides the tools and resources needed to develop high performance GPU accelerated application. With its optimized compilers, powerful debugging tools, and an in-depth performance analysis tool, the CUDA toolkit simplifies the development process and helps you unlock the full potential of NVIDIA GPUs. Whether you are working in scientific research, AI, or any other field that requires high performance computing, the CUDA toolkit provides the resources you need to success. Okay, so this is all about the CUDA toolkit, like comprehensive GPU programming environment. Let's go on browser. I have something other stuff for you. Okay, so here you can see like here you see that we had covered a lot of things in this lecture, like the programming languages, like what are the programming languages available in the environment or on the platform. So here you can see that the programming languages are C, C++, Fortran, Java, Python wrappers, direct compute, directives, example OpenACCC. Then here you can see the libraries and middlewares like CUD and TensorRT, CUFFT, CUB less, and then CUA-RND, CUA parts, then CULA Magma, Thrust NPP, BSIAPL, SVM, Open Current, then optics, IRA, MATLAB, Mathematica. Okay, so this is like the CUDA enabled NVIDIA GPUs, and after this here you can see that the compute works development tools. So you can see that the CUDA GDB debugger. We have talked a lot about the GDB debugger in this lecture. Then CUDA profiling tools interface, NVIDIA visual profiler, Insight ID, CUDA check. We will cover these all tools in depth in our other lectures. Okay, so yep, stay tuned for that also, like because in other lectures we will cover like the demonstration process, and we will show you the demonstration and all the things. Okay, so I think that's all about this lecture. So basically, thank you for watching this lecture on the CUDA toolkit. We hope you found this information helpful and are excited to start exploring the possibilities of GPU programming with CUDA. So that's all about this lecture, and I hope you guys like this course and give it subscribe our YouTube channel and give it like to our video also. And thank you for watching us. Yep.